Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this episode, we'll show the process how to apply for the Dalarna Scholarship Sweden. This is for the Masters, open to all international students for the session 2027. So, this Dalarna University Scholarship we'll discuss in a while. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you're new here for the first time, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All scholarship related content is posted here. The link for this Dalarna scholarship in Sweden is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashnook.com. And on Instagram bio section, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or on Instagram stories or highlights, or you can directly message our team and ask for the link. Meanwhile, you can directly search on Google as well, fullscholarships.net. Once you land on this page here, you can read about this particular scholarship. The Dalarna University Scholarship offers this stipend of around $1,266 per month and a travel grant, and it is also a fully funded scholarship. This Dalarna University is situated in Sweden, and they are offering this scholarship. Besides this, there are other scholarships as well, but we are going to discuss this scholarship in this video. There's no requirement for IELTS, and the deadline to apply for this is 17th of August 2026. So you need to apply within this deadline, August of 17, 2026. This scholarship for masters every year it is offered, which covers full and partial funding, depending on which course you have applied, and fee paying master students are considered for this particular scholarship. So every international student is considered fee paying, and they are gonna get this scholarship. So all those who are accepted for the program at Dalarna will be accepted for the scholarships, so be it this Dalarna University Scholarship or other scholarship. But you should have applied for the admissions. We'll show the process for admissions as well as scholarship as well. Then eligibility criteria should be met, and to be considered for the scholarship, you should have an offer from the university, or you should have applied for the university. Not, it's not mandated that you should have offer, but at least a student ID should be generated from the universityadmissions.se website, where you need to fill the admission application, because that ID will be required for this scholarship. Benefits, you'll be receiving the reduced tuition fee of 5,000 SEK. And if you are getting this Dalarna scholarship, you'll be getting both tuition fee and living expenses of $12,000 SEK, 12,000 SEK per month, and travel grant is issued also. So you won't be paying any fee if you're getting this particular scholarship. How do you apply? You need to visit the master's admissions program, apply for the master's program, then get a student number and come back and fill the scholarship form. With that, you should mention student number. In order to start application, scroll down here. You can see, click here to apply. Click on this, and once you click on that, you can see the official Dalarna University website. Here you can see scholarships, Dalarna First Scholarship, Dalarna Academic Scholarship. So different scholarships are there which you wish to apply. You can see listed here, and this is for the masters as well. And right now I'm gonna apply for this Dalarna First Scholarship, and you can see apply now for the choose Dalarna First Scholarship. Click on this button here, and once you click on that, it will open the scholarship form. Here you can see those students who are eligible to apply for this particular scholarship, they need to have the application number here. So how will you get the application number? You need to apply for the program first via this website here. So website is given, copy the URL here and simply go to that. Now once you go to that, you can see universityadmissions.se, and you can simply log in. For the first time users, if you are new here, click on create an account, and do you have Swedish number? Click on no, and enter your email, create a password, and then click on next. I already have done this part. You'll have to enter all credentials here. I'll just click on login. I'll use my email and password and click on login. Now you can see we have successfully logged in here. Go to my selection, click on find courses and programs, and now here choose from the list where you have to select Dalarna University. You can apply to other universities as well, but we're going to discuss Dalarna University here. Select this university, and then You can see application period not open for this. So you need to click on open for application. So for example, you should have earlier applied for this program, but in case you missed, you can still apply for these two. For example, I'll go to data science here. I'll select this program here and go to my selection. Now click on show more, and on the right hand side you can see start application. Click on this. Now you can see data science. Click on continue, and university from the qualification of which country you have studied your bachelor's degree, and if there's an application fee, you can request for the waiver. Now click on submit, and to the application documents you need to upload documents. So you can see upload identity documents. So choose file here. So you need to do one by one. You need to upload the documents. Here I'll just choose that. So I'll mention the ID here and click on next. Now submit one document. Yes, submit. You can add other documents as well. Okay, return to application documents. Now if you wish to understand these documents, you can submit. Now upload educational documents. So we have already done that. And now go back to my pages here, and you can see click on this. You can see Dalarna University, and you can see the application number that is created here. You can copy this application number, come back to scholarship form, and paste this application number here. Now you can see 8 digits. We have the application number from this. So you have their every information. Now you can come back on scholarship form and enter your first name and last name, and this must be as per the passport. Then select your gender, your date of birth. This should be in the format given here. And now enter the email address, country of issuing the passport, application number that we copied from the here. Once we submit the application, you can see application sent. Then which master's program you have applied, you can see data science, and you can see data science we have applied here, same. Then link to a short video. So for example, I'll just copy any of the videos here, paste it, and then click on submit. You can see your application has been submitted, and results for autumn will be announced at October 7 via your account. Starting mid-August, you will begin your applications from this important emails. So you can download the answers as well in case you wish to keep them for your reference. You'll have the Dalarna application here. You can keep this for your reference. And if you go to my page and then go to my messages, you can see we strongly encourage you to complete application submitting all documents. So we have done that as well. You might receive an email as well that you have submitted the application. You can see application received. Here you can see all details, application number that we used, and everything is there. In case you have any confusions, you can ask us in the comment section, and you should apply to this Sweden university. And still facing any difficulties in submission of application for admission or scholarship, you can directly go to our website fullscholarship.net, contact us there from this website. That's it for today. I'm signing off fullscholarships.net. Keep visiting our website fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.